Hello everyone, and welcome to Lesson 4 in our Arabic alphabet series. If you're watching this video, chances are you've already seen the previous ones on Alf, Be, and Ta, and that's awesome. But if you haven't checked them out yet, I highly recommend going back and watching them first. This series follows the order of the Arabic alphabet, and each letter builds on what we've learned before. Today, we're moving on to the next letter, THAA. We'll look at how it sounds, how to pronounce it correctly, and go over a few easy examples to help you remember it. Let's get started.
ثعلب ثعلب
Fox,
ثعلب ثعلب ثلج ثلج
snow,
ثلج ثلج ثعبان ثعبان
snake,
ثعبان ثعبان ثبات ثبات
stability,
ثبات ثبات ثكنة ثكنة
barrack.
ثكنة ثكنة.
Now, pause the video for a moment, say the words out loud, try repeating them a few times to get comfortable with the pronunciation.
ثعلب ثعلب ثلج ثلج ثعبان ثعبان ثبات ثبات ثكنة ثكنة.
As you can see, all of these words start with the letter THAA. Look closely at the first letter in each word. It's the same. Step by step, you're getting closer to reading Arabic confidently. Keep going. You're learning fast. Just stay consistent and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, so you'll know whenever a new video is uploaded. See you in the next video.